We have a kitty cat up very high. Emma, what are you doing? Girl? She scares me up there. Emma, don't you dare jump. Oh no, girl. Oh, look at her. She's going high. No, Emma. Oh, good grief. This cat kills me. Look at her. See, that's how she started there and went up there and then went up there and then up, 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 up. Where are you going? Please get down, Emma. You're scaring me. Oh, Emma, no. No. Please, Emma. Oh, gravy. Cat, please don't jump. Oh, Emma. Good grief, girl. You're gonna make your mama really get gray hair. Oh, now she's gonna lay down. Oh, lovely. Oh, Gussie, Gussie, Gussie. So now if we lose her, which we do often, I'm gonna have to look up there. Oh, my golly. Emma, are you gonna get down, baby? Oh, my golly. Oops, sorry, fingers in the way. I have a broken wrist. There she goes. Good girl. Come on, get down. Get down. Please get down. Please. See Mama's broken wrist. I can't catch her. Come on, Emma, get down. Emma, come on, honey. Come on. Down you go. Emma, please. Please get down. Come on, baby. Come on, baby girl. Get down. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Get down. No, no, don't do it again. Emma. Emma. This is the most curious cat we have ever had. What are you doing? I don't know. Oh, goodness.